This is actually a fun activity if you have children and they are bored out of their mind, or they are at home all day with electronics and you want a fun activity for them to be outside in the open, breathing fresh air instead of at home burning their eyes with their electronics. So pine cones, especially big pine cones, are great, especially for the holidays. People buy them to present them for Christmas in a plate, or it just looks great as a decoration for Christmas. People love this. And remember, some people do not live in an area where big pine cones or pine cones at all exist. So their only resort is to either buy them at the store or buy them on eBay. And one of these can easily sell for $5 or $6. Or you can also, if you get 100 or 50 small pine cones, you can also lump them and sell them together as a bundle of 50 smaller pine cones for, let's say, $10. Look at eBay recently sold listings and you will know that these are actually selling. I know it sounds crazy. People don't think about regular stuff that you can pick up from the street and sell for money.